In this quick guide, I'll show you how to view a vendor ledger in Zoho Books to track transactions and manage your finances efficiently. Start by heading to the Purchases section in the left sidebar, then click Vendors. Here you'll see a list of all your vendors. Find and click the vendor whose ledger you want to check. Once in their profile, navigate to the Statement tab at the top. This is the vendor ledger showing a chronological record of all transactions, bills received, payments made, and any other financial activity. Reviewing this regularly helps you reconcile payments, avoid discrepancies, and keep your vendor relationships clear and organized. That's it. With just a few clicks, you can monitor all your financial interactions with any vendor in Zoho Books. Like and subscribe for more Zoho Books tips.